Hey Primary 6 Foundation Math Prodigy, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into the fourth question of your assessment paper number 7, and this question is something that you all are getting stronger at, okay? So this question says, Madam Shanti bakes 103 cookies. She packs them into bags of 5 cookies each. Part A says, how many bags of 5 cookies can she get? And part B says, how many cookies are left over? Now, this is something, like I said, is something that you all are getting stronger at, as we can see in class. This is the concept of division, okay? Now, let me just quickly recap what I taught you in class, okay? Ashidik and Liana. Let me teach you this, okay? Division is basically, to put it simply, putting things into groups, okay? Putting things into groups. Let me just repeat that. Putting things into groups. Now, if that is division, then what is multiplication? Multiplication is simply the opposite of division. So multiplication is actually the process of finding out how many, finding out total lah. Okay, so that means, how do I do this? I just write down there, finding total number in the groups. So I'll give you an example. Okay, let's say if I say something along the lines of, let's say I say, okay, let's go back to this question. It says that Madam Shanti bakes 103 cookies, right? She packs them into bags of 5. Okay, so basically she has 103. I'm just going to draw cookies. Okay, I'm going to draw as many. Oops, that did not work. The idea did not work. I just wanted to stipple my way through, which is dot, dot, dot. But, okay, let's say dot, 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 dot. Let's say there's 100 of this tree, okay? Let's give you a small sample first, okay? And I said they put 5 into a group. Okay, division is saying, okay, divided by 5 also means putting in groups of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll put it as, this is 6, not 3, 4, 5, yeah. I'll put it as one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll put it as one group. Divide by 5 basically means put into groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put it into a group of 5. So as you can see, I have 3 bags. 1, 2, and 3, and I have 3 left over, which means that if I were to divide this, I will have 3 groups of 5. 3 groups of 5 and 3 left. Okay, so what does that mean? Multiplication now brings over multiplication. 3 groups of 5 mean 3 times 5 will give me the total number plus my remainder, which is 3. So 3 times 5 is 15 plus 3 is 18. So how many cookies are there in this purple thingy? 18. How many groups can we form? 3 groups of 5 plus 3 remainder. Okay, so that's what it is again. So I'll just recap for you. Division basically means putting things into groups. Multiplication basically means finding total number in the groups. So division says, for example, divide by 5 means I am putting it into 5 groups. Multiplying means I want to find the total number in the 5 groups. Okay, so basically that's the concept. Now let's go into the question. So the question says there are 103 cookies. Okay, she puts it into groups of 5. Correct? Where is it? She packs them into bags of 5. Bags of 5. That means every bag you will see how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is what it means. So 103 divided by 5, which also means 103 put into groups of 5, is going to give me the answer of, okay, this is how I'm going to teach you using the calculator. Okay, 103 divided by 5. Now what you notice is the answer is 20.6. But can we use that? No, we can't. Why not? Because if you write 20.6, you might most probably make the mistake of saying, oh, therefore we have 20 bags and 6 remainder, which is not true. I'll show you how we get 20.6. Okay, 103 divided by 5. Okay, let's say this is how I would do it. Instead of writing 20.6, what I would write is, I will write 20 first. So 20. So 20 times 5 gives you 100. Minus 100, remainder how many? 3. So for you, I want you to also use the calculator, because if you were to do this by hand, it would take a long time. So use the calculator, ignore the 0.6, just take the 20. Take the 20, put into your here, you get 20. 20 times 5 gives me 100. So therefore I have 3 left over. It means remainder 3. Now how did I get 0.6? How did I get 0.6 over here? It is actually 20, yeah, 20 and remainder is 3, right? 3 divided by 5. 3 divided by 5, you put it into a calculator, you get 0.6. Why? Because 3 over 5 is also the same as, it's also the same as 6 over 10. And as you can see, 6 over 10 is the same as 6.0 divided by 10 is you move to the left. So your number, it becomes here, so it becomes 0.60. So 0.6 is that. So which means that, okay, at the end of the day, I'm going to erase everything. Okay, 103 divided by 5 will give you the answer of 20 remainder 6. What does this tell you? This tells you that we have 20 bags of 5 and actually, remainder 3, and therefore we have 3 remainder cookies. So the question asks you for how many bags of cookies can she get? A, the answer is 20, and B, how many left over? We have 3. So if you get that one right, I'll give you a big high five because you are a math prodigy. Good job. Alright, so that's it. So I'm trying to make these explanations as clear as possible. Okay, if you can't get it, please again watch this over and over again because this is a very, very important concept. Division and multiplication will be asked many times in your exam papers. Okay, so please do that, and if you don't understand still, always come up to class and ask me. And with that brings me to the quote of the week, which is to trust yourself. I'm not gonna explain this anymore. I'm just gonna tell you the key to your abilities being shined out and getting the A's is to trust yourself. You already know more than you think you do. Alright, and with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.